Now we'll designate a replacement string. To save time, we'll copy answers from an existing application. Start by opening the application. From the application summary page, select Create Replacement. On the replacement string application page, choose Copy Existing Application, then select Continue. Next, choose the option that matches your replacement string. In this example, we're applying for a new GTLD string with no variants. Enter the replacement string, then select Check My String to validate it. When you see validation successful, select Continue. Review the string details and select Confirm. A confirmation message appears letting you know you're starting a replacement string application linked to the original application. Select Yes to proceed. Before the application is generated, answer the required setup questions, like whether the string is a community, TLD, a geographic name, or a reserved name. These answers determine which question sets are generated in your new application. Select Confirm to continue. Here you will see applications that have already been submitted for your organization. Select the existing application you want to copy answers from, then select Continue. Next, choose the application sections you want to copy into the new replacement application. In this example, we are copying all available sections, but you can choose which application sections you want to copy over to the replacement string application. Select Confirm, then select Yes to copy the selected sections into your new application. Your new replacement string application opens with many fields already populated. However, even when you copy sections, you still need to complete certain items for the new string, including details like the string meaning and phonetic representation in the primary string section. You will also need to make a new Registry Service Provider, or RSP, selection for the replacement string, including your main RSP and any required RSP services. When you're satisfied with your responses, move to the Review and Submit section and select Save and Close. You'll be taken back to the application landing page. At the top of the screen, select Submit Application. Select Submit again. Lastly, select Yes to confirm that you want to submit the application for approval.